In this video, I'll break down the top 5 meat thermometers and which meat thermometer I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked product, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best meat thermometer and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers accurate temperature readings within 4 to 7 seconds, making it reliable for grilling and cooking. The device features a bright backlit display that's easy to read in any lighting condition and a 4.5-inch probe that rotates over 180 degrees for versatile angle measurements. Operating between -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, it maintains accuracy within 1 degree in the 4 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit range, and within 2 degrees outside this range. The waterproof IP66 rated construction allows for cleaning under running water. Convenient features include automatic power on when unfolding the probe, auto shutdown after 10 minutes, and a built-in magnet for storage. The thermometer comes with a temperature guide printed on its body, 2 CR2032 batteries, and 4 hook and loop dots for mounting. A hold button locks the temperature reading for easier viewing, and users can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius with a single button press. At number 4, we have the SMARTRO ST54. The ST54's dual probe system enables simultaneous monitoring of 2 different meat cuts, making it a versatile cooking companion. The thermometer features a large backlit LCD display that's easy to read from any angle, with clear temperature readings in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Its temperature range spans from -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, with impressive accuracy of 1 degree in the critical cooking range of 32 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The 6-inch stainless steel probes are waterproof and heat-resistant, designed with a right-angle bend for easy insertion and removal. Built-in presets for various meats simplify cooking, while custom temperature settings accommodate personal preferences. The device includes practical features like a 99-minute timer, retractable stand, and magnetic backing for convenient placement. At number 3, we have the FinalTouch X10. The X10 delivers temperature readings in 2 to 3 seconds with impressive 0.7 degree accuracy across a wide range from -22 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This instant rad thermometer features a 270-degree rotating probe and auto-rotating display that adapts to any angle, making it equally suitable for right and left-handed users. The large backlit LCD screen activates automatically through motion sensing and remains visible in all lighting conditions. Built with professional-grade durability, it carries an IP67 waterproof rating and includes an antimicrobial coating. The device operates on standard AAA batteries with a 3,000-hour lifespan and includes convenient features like a temperature hold function and magnetic backing for storage. The probe length of 4 inches allows safe temperature reading from hot ovens and grills. While the probe tension requires 2 hands to open, the X10's precision and reliability make it a valuable tool for both home cooks and professionals. At number 2, we have the ChefsTemp ProTemp Plus. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its dual connectivity options, featuring both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for unmatched monitoring range. This wireless meat thermometer delivers exceptional accuracy of 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable for precise temperature monitoring. The Wi-Fi connection provides unlimited range monitoring, while the Bluetooth function offers a 500-foot range when internet isn't available. The device supports multiple probes for simultaneous cooking of different meats, with all readings accessible through both the dock display and mobile app. The thermometer's durability is noteworthy, featuring zirconia material construction that withstands temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit and an IP55 water resistance rating for protection against dust and water exposure. The unit includes practical design features such as USB-C charging capability and magnetic mounting options for convenient placement on metallic surfaces. The companion app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices, offers intuitive temperature monitoring, cooking time management, and ready alerts. For added convenience, the thermometer includes a rechargeable lithium battery, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. At number 1, we have the ThermoMaven P2. This is the best meat thermometer on the market and stands out with its exceptional precision through 6 integrated temperature sensors and 30% thinner probes that deliver NIST traceable accuracy. The dual probe system enables simultaneous monitoring of 2 different meats, measuring internal temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Its connectivity features include Bluetooth 5.3 with a 500-foot range and unlimited Wi-Fi capability, ensuring stable remote monitoring. The standalone base unit provides a large display and independent control functionality, eliminating the need to rely solely on a smartphone app, though a free companion app is available for enhanced monitoring features. The thermometer's durability is impressive with IPX8 waterproof probes that can withstand high cooking temperatures. The package includes 2 probes, a USB-C charging cable, and comes with a calibration certificate. A notable advantage is the 3-year warranty coverage, provided it's activated within 30 days of purchase. The device supports various cooking methods including grilling, roasting, smoking, frying, and baking, making it versatile for different culinary applications. So that sums up my top 5 meat thermometers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.